Probably. Well, yes.
Next video.
This is Rick and Pauline of Well Chuffed, and like me, they're the bargain hunters, and of course, like me, they come to these shows and say, I'm not going to buy anything, I'm just here for the exhibits, but we then walk out with big plastic bags full of bargains. Yeah. So what do you think of our very small local show?
So it's an absolutely lovely building.
It is a different venue, isn't it?
Yeah.
Something completely different.
And we did get a few bargains. Obviously, brought the dog along as well.
Obviously, yes. See, he's enjoying it. He's currently looking at the snacks on offer. So, have you taken of the food?
Oh yes.
I had a nice cheese sandwich, but the deal breaker, I must say, getting us here in the first place was the plant set, wasn't it?
It was, unfortunately, yes. And I needed to come for that, you see. So, and plus, we're going to take a trip to the seaside while we're here, so it makes it a little bit nicer.
Make it a full day, yeah?
My tip to anybody thinking of setting up a model rally exhibition is, when you get locally, put the plant sale on as well, with double your numbers.
Yes, we've all had a look at the plants outside. I didn't bring my wife this time, but they do these about twice a year, I think, so I'm sure we'll be back here very soon to see what else is on offer.
It's a lovely occasion.
Lovely to meet the both of you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Phil Button? Yeah. He's the secretary, yes.